Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually make use of FFMPEG to cut or trim a specific portion of a MP3 audio file. So this is actually a script here. It is essentially using a third-party module of Python. So let me show you the module name, which is pydub. So this is actually a audio manipulation module which provides you with the easy to use methods. So the command is simple. You first of all install this module. Essentially in the background it is using FFmpeg, which is an open source audio and video processing library. So for this library you should have installed this package for your Windows, Linux or Mac. It's a cross-platform library. So simply download this and you should have installed it. So just to check FFmpeg is installed, just type FFmpeg in the terminal. If the command is successful, then you have successfully installed FFmpeg. Now I have given the script in the description of the video. So it is essentially taking this MP3 file here. So now if I want to play this, it's 2 minute 57-second long video. Hello guys, welcome to this video. So I want to cut this. So I first of all will be providing the path here. So I will say 1.mp3. So as I run the Python script here in the terminal, it will ask me to cut the starting time. Here we'll provide the starting time. So right here say I want to cut from this portion up till this portion. So from 25 second to 35 second, this will be 10 second. It will cut this portion and save a new file. You will see new audio file is created and saved as mid.mp3. So you will see on the left hand side a new audio file has been created and the length of the file is 10 second. So you can play the 5 month, 5 day, 16 and also tell the. So in this easy way you can make a audio cutter right in the terminal itself. So let me show you the overall script here. So first of all you need to import the necessary package. So right here at the very top we simply import the third-party package. From this we need to import this audio segment class here, and then we specify which audio file you're working with by providing this audio segment. So it has a various bunch of methods that you can use from MP3, from OGG. It supports all the extensions from RAV, WAV. So it has its bunch of methods. We can also reverse the audio as well. So it's a very popular module with a lot of methods. So in this video we are working with the MP3 file. We can directly use this method as well, from file, which will support all the extension, or if you also only want to use a specific method, so we can even say from MP3, and here you need to specify the path here. So my file is located in the same directory, and the second argument will be the format. You can also explicitly tell the format here to be MP3. For this you just need to use this method, from file, and then we just need to take the input from the user. So what is the starting time and the ending time? And similarly we can take the so after taking both these values, now we can actually split the video. So we first of all need to convert both these times into the format that it is needed. So for this we will define this function converting this to millisecond. So this will be a small little utility kind of a function. We will just multiply this by 1000, the time string, so it will return it in millisecond. Now we can actually split the file by using audio segment. Sorry, we have just need to say clip, and we provide it to the song here, and then the starting and the ending millisecond. This is Now we just need to export this to a new file, so use the export function, and we simply say trim.mp3, and then you can print out a simple message that new audio file. So this is the overall script here, and if I again run this, you need to provide the starting time and the ending time. So you can see new file is created. The length will be 20 seconds because 50 minus 30 is comes out to be 20. So in this easy way you can build out a minute to minute. If you want to trim out your specific audio file portion directly in terminal using this package, thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.